I wanted to show a 4K video of my third flight with the 3.5-inch, but something happened. So in this instance, you will have to settle for DVR footage in stunning 360p resolution. Sorry, bro. I flew around doing some flip-floppies. Everything was awesome, but was very windy. I did some cool gaps, found a doggo, got up high. This was in Naklu. You can see almost all of Pattaya. Pattaya, whatever, dude. Here's the doggo. He didn't know what to think. He wasn't scared, but he wasn't happy. Ship was just going fine until that invisible pole showed up. That goddamn pole was right there. I couldn't see it. Then wham! Trick it!
Got him!
The camera casing, lens SD card flew off. It doesn't work anymore. At least the quad is okay. Change of props and off we go again. This thing, it flies awesome. And yes, the GP speed is correct. This thing is a rocket, same speed as my 5-inch quads. Yeet Skeet 3.5 loves another day, to crash another day also, maybe. Thanks for watching, but I have to go poop. See ya later. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Turbo Thailand. If anyone knows what Trump meant when he said convefi, please hit me up.